Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alif Ashura. So now I'm telling news 20 to 5 about massive force hit Bali. Hundreds of residents evacuation. Bali floods latest update. Torrential rains hit Bali on Tuesday and Wednesday, causing widespread flooding and landslides. The disaster has affected six of 8 regions on the island, including Denpasar, Gianyar, Bandung, and Jembrana. Casualties and displacement. At least mm, 18 people have died, with two still missing. As of the latest reports, over 5,000 people have been evacuated to shelters such as schools and mosques. Damage and disruption. Major roads were blocked, and access to Nugra Rai International Airport Denpasar was disrupted in many areas. Two buildings in Denpasar collapsed due to flooding. Landslides have also occurred in several locations. Extensive rescue operations are underway, with hundreds of focused personnel deployed. Authorities have begun cleanup, clearing mud, debris, and repairing infrastructure. Self-workers are starting to reset in many areas. Okay, thank you.